Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear cuties. Today is your last revision class, okay? And next week you are having your exams. I know you all are ready for writing the exams, isn't it? Yes, I know that. So we will recall some more letters. Only 4 letters are pending in your textbook. So we are going those 4 letters today. Not only those 4 letters, some stories related to it, some pictures related to it. Okay, and also we will look how to write these 4 letters. Right? Okay, so look, my dear children, today the first letter which I am going to show you is letter G. Which is this letter? Letter G. And you can see mama letter G and baby letter G. And tell me, what is the sound of G? Yes, G. What is the sound of G? G. Now I am going to bring all the pictures related to letter G on the board. Ready? You have to shout out. You have to tell the names of those pictures as the first sight itself. At the first sight itself you have to say. Okay? Ready? Okay. Please look on to the screen. Okay. Which is the first picture? A beautiful one, isn't it? Yes. Garden. What is it? Garden. Okay. Garden. Then the next one, gate. 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 Then the next one, girl. Girl. Then the next one, grass. Grass. Then the next one, girt. Then the next one, grapes. Grapes. Then the next one, gun. Gun. And the last picture, glass. Glass. So what is the sound of G? G. Okay, what is the sound of G? G. Now I am going to bring the story in your textbook on the board. Okay. Okay, look that. Yes, you can see a dog, a pond, isn't it? Yes. Shall we read the story? You just listen. I know you can't read, but just listen to it. What you can see in the first picture? Once there was a hungry dog. Hungry. വിശന്ന് വലഞ്ഞ് നടക്കുന്ന ഒരു dog ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. He got a bone. What he caught on his way? A bone. Yes, he was crossing a river. What he was crossing? He was crossing a river. He saw his reflection in the water. എന്താണ് വെള്ളത്തിൽ കണ്ടത്? Reflection. What he saw in the water? His reflection. Okay. The next picture. He thought it was another dog with a bone. What he thought? It was another dog with a bone. He wanted that bone too. Then what he did? He barked at the dog. He barked, bow, bow. Then what happened? The bone fell down into the water. And what happened? Look, the last picture, the dog is crying. Why is crying? Because he lost his bone. അവൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുള്ള എല്ലും പോയി, അവന് മറ്റേതുണ്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച അയലിൽ കിട്ടിയൂല്ല. So he is crying. So now shall we look how to write this letter? Ready? Okay, please look onto the screen and we will see how to write mama letter G and baby letter G. Please look onto the screen. Yes, this is how we write mama letter G. Yes, this is how we write baby letter G. And what is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of G? G. Now I will show you the next letter. Which letter is this? Very easy, no? Which is this letter? O. Which is this letter? O. And what is the sound of it? O. Okay, so now I will show you all the pictures related to the letter O. Please look onto the screen and identify the pictures and the sound. Ready? Yes, tell me what is the first picture? Ox. O. O. Ox. Then second picture, old man. O. O. Old man. Okay, next one, or. O. O. Or. Then octopus. O. O. Octopus. The next one, ostrich. O. O. Ostrich. The next, oyster. O. O. Oyster. Then the last one, orange. O. O. Orange. Okay, now that rhyme is on the board, your textbook page. Shall we recite? Okay, even if you don't know how to recite, you just say that E-I-E-I-O. Ready? Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, with a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in this you can continue with other animals like sheep, pig, cat, dog, etc. Okay, so now I will show you how to write the letter O. Both mama letter and baby letter. Look onto the screen. Yes, both are looking similar, but only size difference is there. Just look it. Yes, and this is how we write mama letter O. And this is how we write baby letter O. And tell me, what is the sound of O? O. What is the sound of O? O. Okay, now let us look at the third letter. Which is the third letter? Q. Third letter Q. Here is mama letter Q and baby letter Q. And what is the sound of Q? Qu. What is the sound of Q? Qu. Okay, actually it is not having a individual sound. അതിന് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് നിൽക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു സൗണ്ട് ഇല്ല. അതിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ വരുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ സൗണ്ട് മാറും. Okay, Qu. Okay, so now I will bring all the pictures related to letter Q on the board. Please look onto the screen. Yes, what is the first picture? Yes, Q. So many people are standing in a line, isn't it? What it is called? Q. Q. Okay, it's not qua qua Q. You just want to say the word only, Q. And next picture, what is that? Yes, quill, the longest feather of a bird, isn't it? Yes, quill, Then next one, queen. What is it? Queen. Yes. Next one, a bird. Quail. Which is that bird? Quail. Which is that bird? Quail. And last one, the starting letter is not that, but sound is coming somewhere else. That letter is there. Squirrel. What is it? Squirrel. What is it? Squirrel. And now that story is on the screen. Please look. I will just read the story. Okay. One day, a queen was admiring her quilt and she wanted to write on it. Queen എന്താ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു? അവരുടെ ക്വിൽറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ക്വിൽറ്റ്, എ ബ്ലാങ്കറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് തിങ്, അതിനെ അഡ്മയർ ചെയ്ത് അതിലെന്തെങ്കിലും എഴുതണമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. ബട്ട് സംതിങ് വാസ് മിസ്സിങ്. She doesn't get anything for writing in it. She clapped her hands quickly. She clapped. What is clapping? She clapped her hands quickly. Then came the duck and said, quack, quack, quack. Then who came when she clapped? The duck came. And what the duck was saying? Quack, quack, quack. The queen shook her head. What the queens do? Yes, she shook. No, I don't want this. I don't want you. Yes. Then came the quail and gave her a quill. Then who came? The quail came. Quail. What the quail give to the queen? A quill. The longest feather of a bird. Quill. The king was so happy. Who was happy? The king was very happy. But she forgot what to write. But she forgot. മറന്നുപോയി എന്താ എഴുതേണ്ടതെന്ന്. So she drew a big question mark on the quilt. What she did? She drew a big question mark. വലിയൊരു ചോദ്യചിഹ്നം ഇട്ട് വെച്ചു ക്വിൽറ്റില്. Okay, you understood the story? Yes. Now I will show you how to write mama letter Q and baby letter Q. Listen here. You have learned letter O, no? So it is very easy to write mama letter Q. Look here. Yes, this is how we write mama letter Q. And look the baby letter. This is how we write baby letter Q. And tell me, what is the sound of Q? Qua. Okay, just for knowing we are using the sound as qua. Okay, and now we are going to look the last letter in our textbook. Okay, so please look here. Yes, which letter is this? Yes, yes. What is the sound of it? S. S. What is the sound? S. Now we are going to look what all pictures comes under this topic. Okay, please look onto the screen and say the sound and the picture name also. Ready? Yes. Okay, so many pictures are there. Okay, yes, listen. The first one, sky. S. S. Sky. Next, sea. S. S. Sea. Next, spade. S. S. Spade. Next one, shirt. Look, the sound is not S, but that picture is starting with the letter S. Okay, yes. Next one also same, shoes. Not starting with the sound S, but starting with the letter S. The next one, snake. S. S. Snake. Next one, scorpion. S. S. Scorpion. Next one, scooter. S. S. Scooter. Then last one, seeds. seeds. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to sing that rhyme. Skip to my loo. Ready? Yes, look onto the screen. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip, skip, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Fly in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Fly in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Fly in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling. So you have seen all the pictures which starts with letters S and also the rhyme. Now we are going to look how to write the mama letter and baby letter S. Look here. Yes, this is how we write mama letter S. And this is how we write baby letter S. Both are similar, isn't it? Only the size difference. And what is the sound of it? S. What is the sound of it? S. Topic is not over. We have some more in that. Okay, some more. What is it is, there is a last rhyme in that. Shall we recite that? I will bring it on to the board and we will recite both together. Okay? Yes. So recite with me. Okay? Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, Z. Oh dear me, when shall I know my ABC? So in your text there is a small wrong that L, M, N, O, P is repeating. So don't repeat that. Okay, whenever you are reciting, don't repeat that L, M, N, O, P. Okay, yes. Now I will just show you all the mama letters in order. Okay, and after that all the baby letters in order. Right? Okay. Look here, you say along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then look the baby letters. Baby letters, yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so now we have to say all the letter sounds together once, right? Okay, look here, the mama letter is on top, baby letter is down. Okay, and please say the sound A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, V, S. Yeah, Z. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, V, X, Y, Z. Okay? Yes. Okay. That was the end of our topic. But a small topic also left in your textbook. That is a connection for your base 2. Okay? Just how to up these sounds and make some 3-letter words. Just make how to connect these letters together and make 3-letter word. Okay, just I will give you one example for that. You just look here, what is this? Cat. So how we will make cat? Can we make? Yes, but first we will put k, then a, then t. Cat. Cat. Okay, cat. Cat. The next one. Look here, there is a hen here. So shall we try to write it? Yes. Hen. 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 Okay. And the next one. Look here. What is this? Pin. Pin. Shall we try to write? Pin. Pin. Okay. Then the next one. Look here. Your mother used to clean the floor, no? What is it? Mop. 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 And the last picture you look here. What is this? Yes, hut. You have learned in h sound, no? Hut. How we will write hut? Hut. Hut. Okay, this is just you want like a bridge to your base too. Okay, whenever you are free, you try to connect all these letter sounds, some letter sounds together and try to make words. Okay, and my dear kids, this is the end of revision class of English, and inshallah you will be having next week onwards paper and pencil test. Okay, so all the best, study well and enjoy. Okay, till then, Sajna ma'am is signing off. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, welcome to our House of Knowledge, Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School.
This is our preschool. We are like butterflies here, enjoying our learning, loving and caring mothers and ayahs are always there to help us. Just have a look at our little wonderful world.
Our school is one of the pioneer CBSE school in the Malappuram district, founded by the Ansar Islam Charitable Trust Kondoti under the chief patronship of Abdurrahman Sahib in the year 1983.
We have a profound academic background with many meritorious and inspiring alumni worldwide.
I am Ashfaq Ali, an alumni of Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School. I am currently working as Global Investigations Advisor at Amazon.
ഞാൻ 5ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ 10ാം ക്ലാസ് വരെ പഠിച്ചത് മർക്കസിലാണ്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഞാനെന്നൊരു ഇൻഡിവിജ്വലിനെ ഒരുപാട് ബേസിക്സ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതും ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ മർക്കസിൽ പഠിച്ചിരുന്ന സമയത്താണ്.
Alhamdulillah, we are molded with moral values and life skills.
Marcus gives an ambience to engage, enlighten and empower our intellectual and substantial well-being by providing us an holistic education. We are embedded with very good infrastructure with smart classrooms, knowledge hub, libraries and IT labs, science labs and so on.
Success is where opportunity and preparation meets. Here we get training in swimming, karate, taekwondo, chess, handball, so on.
Marcus is truly a glittering star, bagging several trophies in Kids Fest, Sports Meet, English Fest, Green Army, MTSE winners, Kabaddi, handball showed their skills in state junior football. 100% results in AISC and AISC examinations.
The school has been providing quality education from preschool to class 12. Even in this pandemic situation, the school has given wide opportunity in teaching and learning. We are giving YouTube classes as well as live classes simultaneously.
യെസ് കണ്ടുവോ നിങ്ങളെ മഴയോ മഴ 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 പെരുമഴ ടൈഗർ ടൈഗർ യു ലുക്ക് ഹായ് മൈ നെയിം ഈസ് കോക്രോച്ച്
1 2 3 4 5
ഇതുപോലെ ഇതാ ചുറ്റും നമ്മളാ കെട്ട് കണ്ട നല്ല ഭംഗിയില്ലേ.
The first method is fixed capital method and the second method is fluctuating capital method.
Cube, isn't it? Then how many faces in a cube? കാലത്തുണർന്നു കുളിച്ചതല്ലേ.
उसके बाद हम आज पढ़ेंगे कहानी. आपको पसंद है कहानी?
Now look at this picture. What can you see there? ഏതൊക്കെ പക്ഷികളാണ് അവിടെ സ്ഥിരതാമസക്കാർ? നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് പക്ഷികളെ കാണുന്നില്ലേ?
We are assessing our students through online exams and written exams. We give importance to co-curricular and creative activities.